Hello viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, RJL Innovations. This video is all about the casters underneath the cabinet. I installed 2 inches casters underneath the cabinet. And with these casters, it's easy to move. To clean underneath if it's dirty. This cabinet weighs 150 pounds, and every time we move without casters, it's hard to move. So I decided to install casters underneath. Since then, we got no hard time to move the cabinet. I hope you like the idea about the casters underneath the cabinet. Please subscribe and share. Until next time.